Hello, hello, blessed morning, friends in YT all over the world. Big love shout out to my king, King Sumbi, to all officers and members, and to our beloved chairman, Sir Meryl Ventura or Sir Jasmine, and all those very supportive friends, beautiful, pretty, nice, handsome. Please welcome back to my channel, guys, and come and listen my song, guys. Thank you. The hardest things I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fall enough to think that's what I'll find. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake yet for him, without a friend inside. I'm hanging on a hope, but I'm alright. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fall enough to think that's what I'll find. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fall enough to think that's what I'll find. Please stay. More please. Thank you. Make a shout out. I have you guys. Please come and listen my song, friends in YT. Good people, beautiful people. I have always been a dreamer, followed passions of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make them my home. I believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few. For as rare as they are, like a bright falling star, I found one in you. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road endless and the dream so far away. Sometimes when I almost to surrender, then I stop and I remember I have you to save my day. Often my imagination has me reaching out too far. When I felt you were there with your hand in the air, you knew from the start. Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and in truth it comes from knowing I have you to save my day. Sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to save my day. Last song guys, please stay Miguel Love shout out. Hindi natin kabisado guys ito, pero try lang. Love me for what I am. We fell in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face, but lately little changes have been slowly taking place. We're always finding something is wrong in what I do, but you can't rearrange my life because it pleases you. You got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. If what you want isn't natural for me, I won't pretend to keep you what I am hard to be. The picture of perfection is only in your mind. For all your expectation, love can never be designed. We either take each other for everything we are, or leave the life with me behind and make another start. You got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. Miguel Love shout out Team Sumbi and all those very supportive friends. Friends nga, team nga. Miguel Love shout out. And if you're only using me to feed their fantasy, you're really not in love, so So let me go. I must be free. You're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. Thank you. Happy blessed Wednesday morning. Bye-bye. Love you all. God bless.